Have you heard of Zanzibar? This hidden African paradise should be on your bucket list. Picture this: powder-soft white beaches that kiss turquoise waters, and yes, that's real. But Zanzibar isn't just about idyllic scenery. The flavors will blow your mind. Dive into vibrant street food like Zanzibar pizza or their spicy seafood straight from the ocean. Feeling adventurous? Explore Stone Town, where the walls whisper stories of rich Swahili culture, history, and resilience. And oh, the sunsets here. You'll witness fiery skies fade over the Indian Ocean, a photographer's dream. Best time to visit? June to October, perfect weather for sun-drenched days. This island is safe, inclusive, and truly welcoming to all travelers. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures.